Crazy storm we're about ready to get. Look at this. There's that side of the sky. And you come over here, and this ain't even picking up. That's green. And you can see the rain coming down, like right over there. Let me zoom in. See the rain right there? Look at that rain pouring. You can see it. Ain't here yet, just right over there on that side of the hill. Over there you can see it too, raining. Look at that. Look at that. Sheets of rain coming down. And this is coming at me. Flashes in the sky. We're under a severe thunderstorm warning. It's almost here. I'm getting wet as I'm doing this. Probably you can see it in the camera, but holy moly. What a storm. We're about ready to get. Look at it pouring over there. Oh, it's raining harder now. Not soaking it, but look at that. Sheets of rain right over there. Nope, it's starting to rain too hard to stand out here to do this. Stand up under here. I love a good thunderstorm. Getting dark. This camera's making it look like it's light out. Looks like it's 9 o'clock almost already. Severe thunderstorm warning, warning, warning. Anyway, just a little weather I wanted to share with you guys. Something different, a little break from the norm. Just a little something to break the monotony of all the silver that seems to be drowning your life. Check out Mother Nature for a minute, right? She looks cool. That's my neighbor's house. You keep seeing my long driveway. I'm way back in off the road. They're way up on the road. Ooh. You hear her? Did you hear her? Ooh, little fishy flash. Pretty cool, right? Oh, the wind's picking up. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Fires around me mailbox. Oh. That's crazy. That hard rain, it's just right over on the other hill, isn't here yet. Look how fast the clouds are moving. It's not really picking it up that well. Oh my God, I think I got a whole lightning bolt. I think I got that. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Won't know till we review it, right? Look how dark it is over there. Thunderstorm. Pretty sure I caught that one too. Okay guys, lightning's got a little close. I'm gonna poke my head inside. See, Mother Nature's barking at us. Hope everybody has a great Sunday. Oh, we got that one. Definitely got that one. I gotta go in. It's getting too close. Love you guys. Take care, stay safe, and go do something nice for someone. He's made it. Oh, look at that sheets coming down the driveway. Check that out. Like running. Wow. Thunderstorm. It's really raining. Now look over here. Doing OC out here. Wait for one more boat. Hopefully we'll get it. As soon as I shut this off, it'll be one. But I'm gonna shut it off. I'm getting dinner, standing in the doorway. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.